was fishing with Fabian, and his father lived in this area. And the father told us that when we are going to Homer, to stop there to see him. And now we are going there. We don't know if we will manage to see him, if he will be there, but we hope for that. Ninilchik is like from between Anchorage and Homer, and it's a really nice ride. We are now, I think we are passing Soldotna, the city, and it's really like a lot of stuff going on, a big city. It's really cool. Blasco is here with me. And Blasco. Only somewhere there, Alec. Lane. And let's see. Then I show you from there how it will be.
True Blue drive-thru.
Sorry.
That's our dog.
I take care of it.
I thought that was again.
The fourth one. Sit. Sit. You don't understand, huh? Sit.
Look at this.
9.
How beautiful.
I'm on. And you have to do that. And everywhere.
Look how nice it is. True Blue. Right.
So everyone that passes here on our world trip, I mean we are on the world trip of course with this car, and all the people that look or read this or see this, if they go through here they have to stop.
Yeah.
The nicest people.
Really
and the best
cool.
food.
Nice.
I smell it. You can't, but I do.
Sure.
Yeah, it's across the Harley Davidson shop.
Easy to find.
Easy to find.
Next to the big ice cream cone.
And
is actually
exactly. Next to the
let's
big
show
ice cream
the
cone
big
and
ice
it's
cream.
Thru.
What you have decided, and señorita, what you have decided? You were so funny. Beautiful girl you are. And my beautiful boy.
We are on the Pacific Ocean.
Cool stuff. What's your dad's name again? Steve. There we go.
I'll remember you.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's knock. Doesn't look like somebody home. No dogs barking.
Well, then you're at the wrong place. Because dogs will be barking.
Okay. Now I hear a dog.
Ah,
Oh,
there it is. Wrong door.
Wrong door. I knocked at the red. Your son is on the line, and he said I should knock here.
well here.
Okay.
He knows which door I go in. Hey,
to see
good to
you.
see you
I
too.
told you I'm coming.
Yes, he did. And he said he got a
text message.
A text
yeah.
message from you, but I
Hi.
thought maybe you went too high, Isabel. I thought maybe you went on to Homer.
No. When we say we stop by, we stop by.
Ah, okay.
You want to talk to your son? He's on the line.
Oh,
He's on speaker.
yeah.
He's on speaker. It's
Yeah,
cool.
hey, I told him he could park in my driveway for unless you want to let him park out there in the end or something.
No, they can park wherever they want.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah,
It's a
we
great
can-
place here.
This is nice.
Yes,
Hey,
Good
little
seeing you
one.
again.
yeah.
What's his name? Her name?
Her name is Coco.
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 And there's two. You see?
Yeah, the other one. Is,
Where you live. This is where you live.
yeah, well, come on in, and then you'll see.
Thank
we-
you.
is it-
That building here was built probably maybe 120 years ago.
Oh wow.
Ah, and yours? Ah, it's newer.
And this one I built in 2000.
Ah, okay.
Nice.
But I
Nice.
hooked them together.
Ah, okay. Good morning. We just woke up here after we had parked at Steve's house in Ninilchik, and yeah, now here's Isabella. Steve has two doggies. Where are they? Here.
One is here, the other is there.
Wiener doggies. So basket's having fun. So this is where Steve lives, yeah. So we had yesterday, yeah, a nice dinner at our place. Isabella cooked. Steve brought also some salmon eggs and raspberries. And he's such a nice man. And I don't know, I think until 2 o'clock we were sitting here and talking about everything, which was really great. And it's somehow meant to be that we met. And yeah, anyways, and he talked about that a friend of his, an old friend, came by and brought some bear liver. So he asked us if we liked that. I said, well, we don't know because, the bear would eat us, so why not? And now he's actually preparing bear liver for breakfast with eggs. And he just knocked on our door and said, we don't have to do anything for breakfast. Well, yeah, we'll keep you posted how the bear liver thing goes. This is awesome. That's where the salmon comes up from the ocean. The Pacific Ocean is right there, back there, and then it goes up here. Really nice. Smells good.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Smell.
Just the liver I would take a little. Oh wow.
Wow.
This is bear liver. So I will tell you how it tastes if it's that much difference. Steve said it's more mild, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. Of course we're coming. No. Like
So,
we can.
So I'll call him and let him know so he takes out more hamburger for all of us.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Are
Oh,
Yeah.
you have a phone. And I will say to you, Mr. Fabian,
yes, sir.
you have a very intelligent, smart, beautiful.
Yeah. She was like a very smart, intelligent, and Uni's like, yeah, dog. So what shall I do with that information, Steve?
Anyhow, very talented, very smart, very intelligent. Somebody who can be in charge of 4 department stores in Spain.
Yeah.
Is,
Can handle our little department store there, you think? I think so too.
rice and eggs together. So
This is a man's breakfast.
I sometimes make chopped onions, but there's already onions.
Yeah.
There's already
yeah.
wow. Bear liver.
Wow.
So is that something really healthy, I guess, right?
Well, I guess so. I think they do.
This is a breakfast. Wow.
For you.
Thank you.
Do you want a piece of liver?
Yeah?
See that?
Yeah?
There's sometimes big waves.
Oh, yeah.
I have a surfboard.
Do you have a wetsuit?
Yes, I
Yeah.
do. I just don't have the
Gloves.
gloves and the shoes.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really
But he
nice.
says no camping, but this would be a perfect spot.
Well, it used to be camping. Went all the way out to where the water is now. But the erosion took it down. So they even have blocks.
Is that Ninilchik up there too?
Yeah.
First of all, thanks again. I have to say that on video too. This is what we binoculars, what we got from Steve, and we are very thankful. Thanks again.
Something to remember Nilnilchik by.
We will,
Sure.
definitely. Not only. We don't need a present to remember Ninilchik.